A visit to the medieval town of Oppenheim combines unique architecture, cultural landscape, and surprising stories. The place remains a charming small town with medieval flair, proud of its history and its vineyards, whose fame has reached beyond Germany. In and around Oppenheim, there is something to see and experience for everyone. Whether it's the charming, winding old town with its marketplace and the town hall, the impressive St. Catherine's Church with its famous stained glass windows, Oppenheim offers more than enough to satisfy day trippers. So if you're around Germany and are not sure if Oppenheim should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Oppenheim. Visitors have to take the train from Mainz mostly every half an hour. From Oppenheim's train station, it is only 5 to 10 minutes walk to the old town. There is no public transportation within the town, but the town center, particularly the old town, is so small that you can walk everywhere within minutes. It's a steep walk from the train station up to the picturesque old town and the market square, but worth the effort to reach the Katharinenkirche, a prominent Gothic church in Oppenheim, Germany, constructed between the 13th and 15th centuries. It is renowned for its architectural features, including the Oppenheimer Rose, a 14th century stained glass window depicting the imperial eagle and the city's coat of arms. The church also houses the Michael's Chapel, an ossuary containing the remains of approximately 20,000 citizens from the 14th to 18th centuries, making it one of the largest and best preserved ossuaries in Germany. The ossuary is generally closed, however, special tours of the space can be arranged. Visitors can explore the church's rich history and architectural beauty, including the Vol organ, which has been in use since 2006. Another interesting town highlight is the ruins of Landskron Castle, built between 1210 and 1220. And was a 3-story tall building. Going to the ruins is quite challenging. You will walk along the steep road. As you ascend, you will be welcomed by the huge vineyard. It is pleasing to see its fruits hanging waiting to be harvested. It also offers a magnificent view of the town below, especially the steeples of the huge church. Oppenheim has a whole host of other sites and attractions to offer that are well worth a visit, including the clock tower in Oppenheim. It was built in 1843 to 44 on the remains of the former defensive tower of the medieval town fortifications in the neo-Gothic style. The tower is around 31 meters high and houses a viewing platform, among other things. The tower clock from 1907, which is still in working order, chimes the half and full hours. The building is maintained by the Friends of the Clock Tower in Oppenheim and Rhine and is a listed building. The tower contains exhibits such as photos and other things for the public to see. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!